Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most thrilling developments in the drone industry, the DJI Neo. This new drone is poised to transform how we think about indoor aerial photography and videography. As we venture into this exciting chapter of drone technology, let's explore what makes the DJI Neo a potential game changer, from its sleek design to its innovative features. The drone industry has been evolving rapidly, with each year bringing new advancements in aerial technology. Traditionally, drones have dominated the open skies, capturing stunning outdoor visuals. However, the DJI Neo is set to shift the paradigm, focusing on indoor flight like never before. Rumors and leaks suggest that the DJI Neo will feature a radically new design, breaking away from DJI's traditional aesthetics. The drone is expected to have a sleek, minimalist appearance, specifically crafted for indoor environments. Its compact form factor promises agility and ease of maneuverability, essential for navigating tight spaces. Unlike previous models, the DJI Neo's design emphasizes functionality alongside style. DJI has always been at the forefront of flight control technology, and the Neo is anticipated to continue this trend. The drone is expected to incorporate cutting-edge flight control systems that offer remarkable precision and ease of use. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a beginner, the Neo's intelligent flight modes are designed to make indoor navigation intuitive and hassle-free. When it comes to indoor drones, camera performance is crucial. Although specific details about the Neo's camera system remain under wraps, DJI is likely to equip it with a state-of-the-art imaging solution. Given the challenges of indoor lighting, the camera will need to excel in low-light conditions. Battery life is always a critical consideration for drones, especially when flying indoors where power management is essential. The DJI Neo is rumored to have an impressive battery life thanks to its efficient power management system. Despite its small size, the drone is expected to offer extended flight times, giving you more freedom to explore and capture your indoor spaces. As we await more information about the DJI Neo, it's clear that this drone is set to be a revolutionary addition to the world of aerial photography. With its potential for innovative design, intelligent flight modes, and impressive camera capabilities, the Neo could redefine our interaction with indoor spaces. Stay tuned for more updates and insights into this exciting development. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.